Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will show you how to make no-knead whole wheat bread at home. In a medium bowl, combine 900 ml warm water with 1 teaspoon caster sugar, and 7 grams active dry yeast. Stir a little bit and let it rest for 2 minutes. Add 50 ml olive oil and stir until well combined. Now it's time to incorporate the flour. Gradually add 1 kg flour in the liquid mixture and stir until the dough is formed. Season the dough with 2 teaspoons of salt. The last step is to grease the dough with some extra olive oil on top. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest on the table for 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size. My dough raised after 2 hours. You can also let the dough rest in the fridge overnight, but in case you choose this option, let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature before you transfer it in the oven. Shape the dough by transferring onto a lightly floured surface. Sprinkle some flour on top and shape the dough into a ball. Place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover the dough with the remaining parchment paper and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Using a knife, cut the dough on top, cover it again, and bake it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After half an hour, reduce the heat to 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 10 more minutes. Allow to cool before slicing. You can cover and store it at room temperature for up to 3 days. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!